Last week we did some basic spreadsheet use, entering data, simple formulas, and some basic formatting commands. We used the alignment command, we used the value formatting, and we added backgrounds and managed row and column widths. I'd like to begin this week by showing you the Autoformat command. With the Autoformat command, you can apply pre-designed formatting schemes to your spreadsheets. It's a very, very fast way to create a spreadsheet with a professional appearance. If you want to use your own custom formats, you can add that custom format to the Autoformat menu so that you can have it on hand to apply with one click in subsequent times. Let me show you how this works. So here I have a very basic spreadsheet. I've just listed some items, an amount we might be buying, the price, and the total. And I'm going to select the data. And on the Format menu, choose Auto Format. The Auto Format dialog box opens, and you'll see I have a number of predefined automatic formats that I could choose. You'll see that they have background fill, sometimes number formatting, sometimes lines, just a variety of options. I'm going to choose this currency layout because we're working with currency. This puts 2 decimal places and dollars in front of everything. It might not be quite right, but we'll do it for now. So now we see that that was very fast, but this is not quite right. These are not currency figures. So let's undo that. And with it still selected, let's go back to the Auto Format dialog box. If we click More, we see that we can choose to not include the number formatting. So if I come here to the currency format and uncheck number format, you see that we go back to straight number formatting here. We cannot put in the alignments if we want to. We cannot change the font, which actually I prefer to leave it the font it is. We can take out the borders. We can change patterns if they're applied, and so on and so forth. So you see we can make whatever changes we need to make. So I'm going to click OK. And this time the numbers have not been formatted as currency. I'm going to undo it again. Format. Auto Format. Let's go to currency gray this time. And let's take out the alignment options and we'll click OK. And now we have a layout that's perfectly nice, but we need to change these dollar formats. So format cells. And we want this to just be a number. And that's much more like it. So here you see the same spreadsheet we were working with, but I've created a new format just to demonstrate adding a format. So with the formatting done, and you'll notice I've got green headers with a blue underline. I've got green here with a blue underline. I've italicized this, and I've turned these into money figures. So I'm going to select the range, come to Format, Auto Format, type click Add, and I'm going to type green bars. Nice descriptive name so we know what we're looking for. And click OK. Now I'm going to come to another spreadsheet that I have ready to go. I'm going to select the range. And with that range selected, I'm going to go to Format, Auto Format, and look for the green bars custom format. And there it is. And I'll apply it by clicking OK. And here we have the custom formatting. Now, I've noticed with OpenOffice.org Calc that this pretty consistently seems to happen. Do you see how this is not formatted right and this is not formatted right? So I'm just going to use auto format to fix those small things. Click here, double click on the format painter, click, 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 and set those up there. Now it's done. Let's go to print preview and zoom in so we can see it. Oh, how very attractive.